Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let us talk about the next feature from the OOPS. So that is nothing but message passing. Message passing. Okay, so what is the concept of message passing? Let us discuss. So this OOPS concept completely based on objects as well as classes. So if you take a class, the class contains data members or member functions. We can call it as properties and actions. Okay, and this properties and action accessed by the object. That means the object is the key, is going to be access data as well as we are going to access methods. Okay, for example, your TV remote. Your TV remote is an object. With the help of this TV remote, we are going to be control the channels as well as we can also controlling like volume and brightness and settings. We have to change the settings also. Okay, so both are interrelated. So this is like TV. So here also this object is nothing but controlling the data as well as methods. Okay, so object is the key. With the help of this object we can access methods as well as data in our class. So this is the point. What is a message passing? Message passing means object 1 is holding one data, object 2 is holding other data, object 3 is holding other data of record 4, and object 4 is accessing record 4, like that. Okay, so now I'm going to pass first data from object 1 to object 2, second data is from object 2 to object 3, and next data is from object 4 to object 3, and object 3 to object 1, and we can also communicate object 1 to object 4, and we can also communicate object 3 to object 2. So that means every object can be communicate. Okay, every object can be communicate, and this is the sharing of the data. So this mechanism we can achieve through the concept of threads from Java side. Okay, so basically one thread data can be passed to other thread with the help of get message, put message, like that, and basically it is very popular for the games as well as networks. Okay, so this is the concept of message passing. So it is a supported topic of OOPS with the help of object. Okay, so ultimately with the help of object the communication will be happened. Okay, so that is the concept of message passing or message communication, right? I hope you understand what is message passing or communication from the concept of OOPS. Okay, so let us talk about the next feature. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me discuss in the comment section.